Welcome to the Robinhood Legend Charts Explained tutorial. This guide will walk you through the key concepts and practical examples of understanding legend charts on the Robinhood platform. First, let's start with the basics. A legend chart is a graphical representation of a stock's performance over time. On Robinhood, you can access these charts by selecting a stock and tapping on the chart icon. The legend chart provides a visual representation of the stock's price movement, allowing you to identify trends and patterns. The legend chart consists of several key components, including the price axis, time axis, and chart type. The price axis represents the stock's price, while the time axis represents the time period. The chart type can be adjusted to display different time frames, such as 1 day, 1 week, or 1 year. To read a legend chart, start by looking at the overall trend of the stock's price movement. Identify any patterns, such as an upward or downward trend. Next, look for key events, such as earnings reports or economic announcements, which can impact the stock's price. When analyzing a legend chart, it's essential to consider the time frame. A short-term chart may show more volatility, while a long-term chart provides a broader view of the stock's performance. You can adjust the time frame by using the zoom in and out features or by selecting a different chart type. In addition to the chart itself, Robinhood provides several indicators and tools to help you analyze the stock's performance. These include moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands. These indicators can provide valuable insights into the stock's trend and potential future movement. To get the most out of legend charts on Robinhood, it's essential to use them in conjunction with other research tools and fundamental analysis. This includes reviewing the company's financial statements, industry trends, and economic conditions. By following these steps and using legend charts effectively, you can gain a deeper understanding of a stock's performance and make more informed investment decisions. Remember to always do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions.